middle. Winner gets that.
Kain tayo guys, kain tayo.
You'll have to suck it up.
That's not how it's done anymore.
Ehem.
Like footballs, Nell.
Let's
We're
see
raising
it.
a nation of squid.
May saging ako dito.
No worries. You watch. This will blow their minds.
Kain tayo
Ready
guys.
to pass the parcel?
Good evening, good
You're
evening.
gonna mix this up a bit, kids. You're gonna love it.
Kain tayo.
See now? I'm not looking. I'm just gonna push
On Miss Rice.
on.
Banana.
I can't find the present.
Tingnan mo
Yeah,
siya.
that's right.
Tumitingin ako.
Wait. Lucky's dad, where's the present?
Ah, now, you see? There isn't one. There's just one big present in the middle.
What?
Yeah. What?
We're playing the top
You want
way.
to eat?
Okay, let's go. Keep passing.
So, I don't get a present.
Si ate ang kumakain pa. Oh.
Real life, you
Ate ganda. Oh. Si ate ganda.
should be right. Come on, just keep
Si Aponesa. Si Koreana nandun na sa baba. Kay Dede na. Gusto na Dede si Koreana. Ano gusto ikaw? Kain eh? You want to eat? You want to eat this one?
Don't look at me, mate.
Naman. Gusto yan. Kain din siya.
Oh, it's okay.
Mm.
Here, it's over.
You want carrot? Carrot.
Wait, who can make it 20? Actually,
Oh, tabo. Carrot.
Well, that was fun, wasn't it?
Carrot.
Parcel. I don't like Lucky's dad's rules.
Yeah.
It's hard when you don't win.
Yeah, it
Carrot.
is.
Maybe next time.
Good for your health.
That's kid number 5.
Carrot is good for your
I'm
health.
wrapping past the parcel for your birthday tomorrow.
Carrot.
Can you do
See?
it Lucky's dad's way?
With only one
Carrot.
present in the middle.
Yeah, but it's good as
Oh,
this
you-
one.
Honey, that was a bit of a
Pero
disaster.
carne gusto niyo.
Awesome, please.
Ay. Carrot yan, carrot. Carne.
Okay, kids and parents,
Kaya.
just that we play pass the
Carne,
parcel by
kain siya.
Lucky's dad's rules.
Kain tayo sa akin. Sunod sa
So let's just do our
akin.
best, okay?
Okay.
Here we go.
Galit si Apon. Oh, wait lang, wait. Kapunisa man yan.
Oh.
Hindi mo ba alam kaya punisa yan? Kanisa, kanisa. Kailyana, ah. Yan. Sino niyo ang buko? Oh, sino niyo ang buko ni Apon? Ni Aponisa. Ay, galit. Kain tayo.
did they say hooray?
Sabi guys. Wala tayong rice ko lang. Stop sa rice, stop. Ang tingin mo sa akin, no? Ang Japonesa, oh. Ang Japanese baby, oh. Hop! Hop! Kain ikaw?
Sorry you didn't pass the parcel bit though.
It's okay, I don't mind.
Really?
Next time.
You know what, Finger? I think you're getting quite
Ano
good
to?
at losing.
Ribs, guys.
Bluey, how do you want to do pass the parcel tomorrow?
You want to eat?
I'll let Bingo choose. Really? Thanks, Bluey.
Which way do you want to play, Bingo?
Tayab man yan.
It's only fitting to let Lucky's dad do the honors.
Kain Japanese.
Which rules we play?
Kain si Japanese baby.
Did you choose Lucky's dad's rules? Baby.
Well, Bingo, whatever way is okay.
Japanese ba yan, baby? Oh,
Haven't you raising a nation of squid?
hindi daw si Japanese. Kanin siya, baby.
Kaya hindi.
Ang dami na yung teeth. Kaya ganyan siya, oh. Adru.
Hindi.
Kaya ganyan siya.
It's okay.
Wait for it.
Open line or mouth. Wait lang.
What can we play at your house, Bluey?
Gusto niya na. Wait
Doreen's in
lang.
the garage. So.
Oo. Open mo door.
Bye, Mummy. This episode of Bluey is called
Kain tayo guys. Saging.
Having a bit of a garage sale, Doreen.
Yes, I'm trying to get a bit of cash together to go on holiday to the reef.
Well, if someone buys Len's old scooter, that'll help.
Oh, yeah.
Yan yung
How much is this?
Ate. Gusto niya ate? Ate.
I'm not sure there are any.
Ate.
Ah.
Ate. Gusto niya ate?
Get the big.
Ate.
That's it. You can be a grouchy.
Ate.
And make it that you can
Gusto niya ate? Ate.
Let's go, Bingo.
Hey, ate.
How much do you want for this?
Ate.
What do you think?
$2?
Love man yan ate.
Doreen, that size is what
Love
we
daw
want
ate
now.
niya.
Don't make a fuss.
Mobile, please.
Ano siya sa... Hindi siya sa'yo.
Outside won't
Tatay.
move.
Tatay. Hindi tatay. Tatay.
Am I?
Tatay. Na si tatay. Nana at nana. Ate.
You are one grouchy granny.
Hi. Sombawa. What is yung sombawa? Kailan oh. Kailan What is something? Oh, kailan iwasan oh.
300.
Kailan iwasan. Kumbawa. Ay, maingay man.
Yes, Nana.
Kumbawa, iwasan.
Grouchy Granny is a bit too grouchy. Are you sure there isn't another type of granny? Timmy?
Iwasan.
It is, dear.
Kumbawa.
I'll stay grouchy Granny.
Oh, great.
You want yourself, young man?
How about $5?
How about $2?
Ate.
Okay, $2.
Ate.
Doreen, if you want to go on a holiday to the reef, you better toughen up.
Oh, I know. Oh, dear.
The table leg's blocking the footpath. I've got to break my leg.
Oh, I'm terribly sorry.
I should call the council.
Ate.
Doreen,
Take the noise down.
I'm sorry.
I'm not paying
Kaya
for
kayo
this.
sa saging.
Well, that's fine.
Well, I think you should pay a little.
I think you should mind your own business.
Whoa, that is one grouchy granny.
But back home, Nana.
Bibili ako bukas na. Naumot ni ano, ginamot. Ginamot ang gusto ko at partner dito. Tamis-tamis. Matamis-tamis na. Matamis-tamis, ano.
Oh, it's like that, is it?
Oh, look, love, I think you want to
Yelo-yelo na kasi ito.
What are you doing? Doreen, I think this delightful lady wants to buy your scooter.
$100.
I guess that sounds okay.
Oh, Doreen, you need to go higher than that.
You need to lay off the biscuits.
What? You said I was looking good.
You are, honey. Ignore her.
Oh, nosy neighbours think.
Now you listen.
$100. Take it or leave it.
Oh, Doreen, no.
Right. You?
Hindi need it.
No. What? I told you it's $900.
A lot of this is just water weight.
Muffin, honey, why don't we make...
Hands off. Stay out of it, chemical.
papa daw. Hinanap niya yung papa niya. Oh. Where's your Papa Ray dyan? Where's Papa Ray? Papa. Is it Papa? Papa. Ini si Papa. Papa. Ano siya? Ano siya? Kali kaya na. Baby Casey.
Goodness.
Papa. Ano? Ay, galing. Oo. Let's eat.
Muffin, look around.
Hindi na yan siya maingay pag may laman ng bibig. Oh, baby, oh. Open your
One
mouth.
in a million.
Can I have this?
You
Mag-eat
sure?
siya,
Just a
mama. Ang
teeny
karne, mama. Konti-konti lang.
Okay.
Blood, dalawang beses. Hindi na, recover yan. Kumbawa, iwasisan.
Bennett, I've got one of those exercise
Tanisha,
things if you
kailan
want.
na isi-ear?
How much you want for it?
Titingin talaga siya, no?
What do you think? $20?
Sorry.
That's my girl.
Hindi, long. Sleep pa si ate, sleep. No, ano yun? Saan ang TV? Open na TV. That's sila. Hey guys! That's ikaw. Na! Oo.
Am I better at the monkey bars and bingo? Well, you're 2 years older than her, Louie.
Mama
And
daw.
I'm better than us. You're about the same as Judo. I
Tingnan
know,
mo
Judo
ano.
can't do skitball
Mama
or
naman.
Peppa Flopper. Well, she'll get there one day. But am I better than her on this day? Louie just won a road race. What does that mean? Come here. Have I told you the story of when you took your first steps? Oh, no.
Later. Si mama, mamaya na, mamaya. Kunin ka lang ni mama mamaya. Pagtulog na ang dalawang ate mo. Okay? O, baba ka lang mamaya. Pagtulog na sila. Mama! Hindi mama. Mama! Mama! Para hindi ka magalit. Mama daw!
Were you proud of me for rolling over so soon?
Mama!
Yes, a little too proud.
Mama! You call mama mama.
Show off.
Oh, I've never heard of a baby rolling over that early.
I know. She's just special.
Mama!
At Mother's Group. It is very early to roll over. Oh,
Tingnan mo. Hindi mama lang. Balik lang si mama. Kunin ka ni mama mamaya. Uy! Ano yan? Dog?
This episode
Dog?
is called Baby
Ah,
Race.
dog! Dog!
But I'm
Si dog!
determined I'd get you walking
Dog
before you
yan?
I need
Ang
you.
dog!
There you go.
Oh, dog!
Stay.
Dog! Hi! Hi, dog! Hello!
But after a lot of
Is it hello?
practice,
Hello,
eventually...
dog! Hello!
Louie, you're sitting.
Hello, dog! Hello! Marunong na siya mag-hello. Hello! Hindi say hello, dog. Hello, dog!
You know about this?
Well, I tried my best.
Hello, dog!
Come on, Louie. Roll the mama.
Hello.
You can do it.
Up here, up here, up here, up here. Up here. Up here, up here, up here, up here. Up here. Up here, up here, up here.
Why did I roll?
I don't know, kid. You didn't count with instructions.
Up here,
The
up
doctor
here, up
said
here.
there was nothing to worry about.
Bye.
Some babies just roll before they
Give mama. Punta mo si mama dito.
You can. And I was just shuffling around. You are definitely not winning the baby race.
The doctor said there's nothing to worry about.
Some babies just bum shuffle before they crawl.
Oh, you see, oh.
See, feels good, doesn't it? Feels like you want to crawl, right?
Did she crawl?
Yes.
Yes.
That
Like this, like this. Like it.
The doctor said there was nothing to worry about.
Ikaw lang.
But Nana wasn't having that. Let's stop mucking around, eh? A bit of
Bakit ba yan?
knees will
Ganyan,
do
oh.
the trick.
Ayan.
You know, it's horrible. You're gonna have If she can't crawl, she'll have to walk. This isn't legal anymore. I'll sprinkle some grit down too.
Like this, like this.
Your Nana's old school.
Hmm.
None of it mattered though.
Hindi man yan. Iba man yan sa'yo.
Are you upset when you lost the baby race?
Sweetie, we're all learning to do things for the first time.
Mama.
Like I was doing everything wrong.
Aren't you
Mama.
Mama's grid?
Papa. Mama yan, ha? Mama na
But
ikaw.
then one day, Coco's
Ito,
mom
antog
came
na
to see
ikaw.
me. Hi, Shirley. Bella.
Ay, aburido na mga puneta
I'm
namin.
sorry, the house is a mess. We chatted for a while and then she gave me a call.
Mother brain. Na, wala na.
Yep. I thought you first.
Galing ng apunesa namin.
No.
Galing ng Japanese baby.
Wow. You must have learned.
Galing
a
ng
thing or two.
Japanese baby.
And there's something you need to know. What?
Sige na, ano.
You're doing
Mama
great.
na ikaw. Baby, wipe on your hands. Wipe your hands. Another hand. Another hand.
Happy tears, honey.
Another
And then I
hand.
decided to run.
Galit ang haponesa namin.
Well done to you, you clever girl.
So, did Blue ever learn to walk?
Yes, honey. In the kitchen, actually.
Paborito yun. Paborito na. Hindi na. We will go. We will go. Gusto na ikaw matulog, babe?
Kitchen.
Matulog na ikaw. Hi, good
Maybe
evening.
you saw something you wanted.
Kailan na sindahan? Paborito na. Sleepy na ikaw. Oh, wait lang, wait. We will. Oh, oh, you see, oh. Paborito na, paborito. Paborito na. Wait lang, wait. Wait lang.
Can you play with me until Blue gets back from Chloe's house?
I can't, honey. There's a problem with the toilet. It won't flush. Mum has to fix it.
But who am I going to play with?
You're gonna play with Bingo.
Oh yeah! This
Wait
episode
lang.
of Bingo is
Ito
so
yan.
good.
Mama.
Mum's gonna get to it.
Mama. You say bye-bye na. Bye-bye, everyone.